Hello, in this tutorial we will show you how to use the Crime in St. Paul website to look for crime happening in St. Paul. First, you need to have a server in which you can reach the data. So in the search box we type the local host or the server address in which we can reach the data. Then we say the port and then we click OK. In this upper side we can search the location, while in the bottom we can filter the data based on the location in the map. We can see that there are markers on the map which shows the neighborhood of St. Paul. Let's say that we want to look for an address, so we type 2115 Summit Avenue and then we click enter, or we click on the bottom enter. The map will show automatically the Summit Avenue that we looked for. We can also look for latitude and longitude address. We can easily type in the address and then click enter. On the bottom we have a table, and we can click on the address to show the crime happened on the map. We have all the information of the marker. Every neighborhood marker have their own number of crime, so that you can see how many crime happened in a specific neighborhood. You just need to click on the marker and the pop-up will show. To filter the table, we can either look for from a date or have a range of time. Or we can deselect the type of incidents and the table will show it. So in this case we have all selected, but the range is from August 1st to August 31st. And so the map is showing the complete table. In this other case, we only have the murder that happened in August, and it appeared that it happened only one murder. Let's say that we want to look for any community event, crime happened from New Year's Eve of 2019. So we have a range of time from 22, which is 10 p.m. until 20 p.m. And then we click submit. In this case, nothing shows. But if we delete the search and start and end time, we'll see that there's one community engagement event happened in North End. We also have an about page so that you can see what we used and any additional information you can find about this. We want to thank Leaflet, Skeleton, Nominatum, and St. Paul Crime API that we built. Thank you for choosing us.